Hey, I'm Tennille Biggers, your local realtor with Keller Williams Elite Partners 3. We're in Apopka, right at the 429 and the 441. Guys, the just getting around town, it doesn't get much better. So if you are watching your commute times, this is definitely a place to look for. This area is also it's a big draw for outdoorsy people. If you are interested in going to the springs, the park, the preserve, the Apopka Wildlife Drive is just a couple minutes over here. It's amazing. It's free. That's a whole different conversation just because we really need to talk about it because it's so much fun. It's also close to the Northwest Sports Complex. So if you have a sporting family or you're sporting yourself, lots of fields, there's an amphitheater there, lots to do.